Hello my dear friends, it's Julia Fior with a new video. Today I will show you how to do easy and fast hairstyles for your heads. So I choose the different types of heads to show you different easy fast hairstyles. And the barrette, of course, it's like nowadays head, you know. I'm already with my foam rollers because it's my habit, but actually the hairstyles which I will show you, only one need this foam roller, so all of others you can do just on the straight hair or old, not like, half curled hair after the few days. Actually, I need to say my little like a secret or not, but when I don't have a fresh hair, bad hair day, don't have a time, I'm always using a hat or a two-bun. Depends. Not, of course, always. Not always when you see me in hat in my Instagram with not fresh hair, but mostly because anyway, hairstyle will lose with the hat on it. So this is like there's no reason to do some special hairstyle or have fresh hair for hats. It's my opinion, but yeah, there are different days. So let's start. So we have curls, so let's start with the hairstyles which we can do with the curls. For different types of hats you will need a different setting. For example, the hat which covering half of your hairstyle will be visible only this part, right? And this, if you want to hold it, but actually I prefer to put everything up, and it's like more, for me it's more classy. And the same with the barrette. It will cover, I have a little barrette but more bigger, will cover the most part, bigger part, and we will see too only this part, right? Also this, it will cover everything. Wait. So actually here you don't need to do nothing almost, just to put everything up. And if you have a flat hat, which you actually will put like this or like this, then, or like this, doesn't matter, then the whole hairstyle actually visible, this part, you covering only this. So, and here for such kind of hats I think it will be lovely when it's full setting, but if it will full up your hair will be nice too. So what we will do, let's start with the hairstyles which can base on the hair with the curls, and for hats which covering half of your head. So what we can do, not brush, we are taking them roll and doing the roll, you see, and fix it with bobby pin here, and we do this manipulation with each curl. It's already actually laying like it necessary because it was curled on the foam roller. So you just curl them again back and fixing. And we know that actually when you are in a hat doing most of job, you know. So even if you will have just straight hair putting up, but you always need to set them, you know, never wear the hat with a just straight hair without putting them up or something, because it's not classy, it's a modern way, and it's, I don't know. And all other hair we just putting back, brushing. Of course, actually, if you have nice curls, we can let them stay free. But if I'm speaking more in this video about fast hairstyles, probably you won't be having curls. Yeah, good, I like it. So the half covered. And actually my plan was to make all the hairs up. We are doing a French twist for me. Now that I have a short hair, for me a French twist is like the best option. But when I had more longer hair, I was doing a bun too. So I will show you two variants. We'll try to show on the short hair. So the French twist. So in this hairstyle you don't need to care about how looks your French twist at the back. Actually it doesn't matter because you will cover it with a hat. So it won't be visible, and I think you won't be removing your hat during the day because all your hair is going to mess up, you know. Other second option is if you have more longer hair. So this one is more working for the longer hair, but you need to think about your head. If you have a lot of hair here at the volume, you need to do it like really down because it won't be uncomfortable to wear your hat. So it needs to be here, not here or somewhere, not in the middle, like down. The next one, easy and fast hairstyle for a curl hair. It's just ordinary wave. We actually can just hold this one there and don't do nothing with it and just work with the front part. Just brushed using a dark blue clip to make a volume in this part, and this part we just hide it back, and that's done. So it's like you saw that I made only a few manipulations and that's already done. So if you even have a bad hair day, you can just put a few foam rollers for a head. You don't need to put like and that's done. Or use an iron curler. Same with the imagine that my hair is straight, okay? So what we can do on a straight hair? Victory roll, of course. What we can do with a victory roll, it can be really different. Depends on how you roll it. So you can roll it inside, fixing with two bobby pins inside from behind. Fast, simple roll, and I roll it like this inside. A donut. You can actually roll it under, not up, under. I don't like that here not enough volume, so I think I will take another part. I like it. Next, what is twists? It's when you take in this part, I'm always separate something behind an ear, so I'm twisting. Like this, you see, across. It's one part, another part. In this variant, you can leave your hair down, I think, if it's curly. If it's not curly, you know what to do. And you can do these twists in different ways. You can, you know, even, for example, you can twist the hair like this, and make here something like this, you know. I need to say that it's all about your imagination. You understood what I mean? Something like this. It's like fast, just fantasy, but it will looks really nice too, and it's taking just few seconds of your life, you know. The last, most simple, when I have a straight hair, I'm doing just the middle parting, making at the back a bun or a French twist, but bun better. Covering this with hairspray because it will be messy. For such fast hairstyle, working the heads which covering all your head. So this one, for such kind of hats, of course you don't need even to do a hairstyle. So I'm ending up my tutorial with a messy hair. I hope you like this video, lessons, these tips little that you can actually mix together and use all your imagination to look fabulous. So have a nice day, and don't forget to follow me and like this video, and also I will happy to hear which kind of hairstyle you like more in the comments. Bye!